So here we are on my bonus page for Powersuite, and basically is this software product that has put together 9-in-1 solution for every business need. And this is an exciting, never before launched software. So what is it Powersuite all about? So Powersuite is this gives you everything that you need to jumpstart your business from a single dashboard. You'll get everything and more to have success in business. It's featuring 9 quality business programs for the price of 1. And these are brand new, powerful programs that have never been released in the market before. So basically 9-in-1 Powersuite packs an unprecedented value, and it's unlike any other software bundle or deal that's been offered before. So whether it's going to be for yourself or for your clients, then this is going to give you a creative and a professional options to turn ideas into a fully fledged business. And Powersuite's template based and super easy to use, and everything is included from tools for marketing, traffic generation, a page builder, social media, ads creator, and much more. So basically it's saying that is easy to use. Step 1 is that you pick a template. There's dozens of business templates to define your own business. Step 2, you customize. It's easy to use templates, can be changed to create the exact asset that you need in able to earn money. And step 3, you use the product and profit, and that is from their sales page. And you basically are getting lots of different tools with this software launch. There's coding. They don't need any coding technical skills. You don't need any prior experience. Basically, there's no learning curve, nothing to download or install. It's newbie friendly. It's created keeping both first timers and part timers in mind, and there's no monthly or yearly fees involved. You don't need to hire professionals to help you start in a highly lucrative business. All of these cloud-based business programs include inside of Powersuite come loaded with ready-to-use templates that users can customize in minutes, create stunning pages, ads, and other assets. You can sell the graphics, you can sell the pages, you can sell the ads, everything that you can create for your clients from $50 to $500 each, which is included in the commercial license. So some of the things that you can actually do with Powersuite is marketing, creating offer pages, opt-in pages, scratch-off pages, traffic generation, design social media graphics and posts for YouTube and thumbnails. You can brand, create logos, you can advertise, create Facebook and Instagram ads very quickly and very easily. So Powersuite includes a free commercial license. You can sell any and all of what you create in this 9-in-1 business suite software. So I recommend that you click through my link, the bonus page link in the description box below this video, and check out all of the included options within this software. It's a fantastic deal. So who would want Powersuite? Lots of different people would want Powersuite. You've got people like influencers, vloggers, companies, dentists, architects, salons, life coaches, real estate, vendors, gyms. Lots of different people would use this particular software. There's 9 top quality programs for the price of 1. There is a host of different products inside of this software. The upsells and the prices, as obviously I've told you already, the cart opens on the 13th of January at 11 a.m. on Eastern time, and it closes on the 18th of January, 11:59 p.m. So basically you've got on the front end of this product, you've got a $37 front end and a commercial license of $47. You've got an one-time upgrade, which is unlimited, which is $97 for the annual and $197 for the one-time payment. Then you've got upgrade 2, which is Meetvio. That's $49 and it's quarterly. Then you've got upgrade 3, which is the agency option, which is $37 and that's one time. Then you've got upgrade 4, which is Meetvio, $67 and that's one time. So you've got your PowerSuite commercial on the front end with 1,000 credits, and it explains everything that you get in here, which is your marketing page suite, how you can create your offer pages, create landing pages, create opt-in pages, create scratch-off pages, traffic generation suite, which you can then create social media graphics, social media banners, social posts, YouTube thumbnails. You've got advertising design suite, which is creating ads for any platform, including Instagram and Facebook templates. You've got social media ads, Google ads, pre-written content, all of this in this 9-in-1 business suite software. Including commercial license and step-by-step tutorials. You've got premium support, and you've got basically credits that you can use. Once you've used up your 1,000, you can actually add credits. So then you've got all of these upsells, which then are all described here. You've got the Meetvio Autowebinars, which is upsell 4, where you can run automated webinars with up to 500 attendees, run 30 active campaigns a month. You've got screen sharing, webinar recording, detailed statistics, public and private chat. You've got autoresponder support. You've got Zapier integration. You've got calendar integration. You've got all of that within this upsell upgrade number 4. So this is the demo for PowerSuite, which is introduced by Neil Napier himself. And what we can do is we can have a listen to this video, but I do encourage you to click through my link, which is in the description box below this video, and take a look at my bonus page and listen to this in your time as well.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and I would like to introduce you to PowerSuite. PowerSuite is a powerhouse collection of 9 high-quality tools to help you build your online business, and with the included commercial license, you can sell business creation services at any price you want. In this demo, I will show you what you can do with each of the 9 tools to grow your online business. We will start with the first place your clients will visit, your website. We have 4 highly focused apps to help you create specific types of pages that have proven time and again to drive profits right into your checking accounts. These are all chock full of templates to get you up and earning today. Create clear, high converting opt-in and offer pages to land clients quickly. You can generate some excitement for clients with our scratch off page tool. Reveal a special discount or deal to increase revenue. And once you have closed that sale, you can send them to collect their bonuses on a high quality page from our done for you bonus page tool. And if none of those page crafting tools fit your design needs, our simple page builder can be used for any other type of page your profit site may need. Of course, no business would be able to sell anything without traffic. So we have included tools that will drive traffic to your business and to your offers. We know that social media drives traffic like nothing else. So we have given you all the templates you could need for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the top 3 social sites for getting targeted traffic organically. You can create impressive covers, posts, and of course, stories. Everyone loves stories, and it is clear that stories are simply dominating on social media right now. And now you too can dominate. Video of all sorts continues to grow and bring in big profits online. YouTube viewers are getting more and more picky about what to watch next. Studies show that YouTube viewers are significantly more likely to click on your video if you have a great thumbnail, and that great thumbnail will increase both watch time and traffic for you. Great thumbnails get attention and send more profitable traffic straight to you. So we have included a great thumbnail tool for you as well. You're welcome. With these powerful tools, it will be very simple for you to stop the scroll and keep the attention on your business. Speaking of your business, at some point as you grow, you are going to want to try out some paid traffic. We have just the tool for you. Our professionally designed ad templates found in the Done For You Simple Ads tool will make your offers and products stand out to your target audience. There is one final tool to round out PowerSuite. If you need to create a logo for your company or a client, you can do that easily with our Done For You logo tool. Every tool includes plenty of templates to create professional, creative, targeted content every time. Do you see all the profitable possibilities that we have baked into PowerSuite for you? This will be the last marketing tool you will ever need. You can use it to grow your business and then sell marketing services to your clients. Every tool will not only add to your bottom line, but it will also help you multiply your profits every single week. If you try to put together this tool set on your own, you'd be paying hundreds of dollars each month, but you can get all the power of PowerSuite for a low one-time introductory price during this launch. I'll see you on the inside.
So that is the demo video and explanation of exactly what is inside of PowerSuite. Now, any of these yellow buttons here will take you through to the sales page for PowerSuite. At the moment, that sales page isn't basically live, so you can't actually see the sales page yet, but it does show you. If we could just now quickly have a look, it does say, win a free copy of PowerSuite and more, a one-time webinar. Join us to see how to start your business in 2022. There is a video on the sales, the pre-sale page, basically, because it isn't the sales page. And it says register for the one-time only training webinar. Win a free copy of PowerSuite on January the 13th, 10 a.m. Eastern New York time. And all is you can do on this sales page prior to launch time when the cart opens is to enter your name and enter your email. And then basically you save a seat on the webinar. And that is all that is on the pre-sales page for PowerSuite. Now, we'll just go back and have a look at some of the bonuses that I've put together for this particular software product. There is my first bonus is 3 ways to get traffic to your gig. So if you're new in your online business and you haven't actually got further forward with it, there is a traffic training here for you. Then my bonus number 2 is any businesses that are trying, to keep clients, market to clients. The best way to do that is build a list while profiting. So this is another training, list building and building your buyers list while profiting. My bonus number 3 is a way of using Bing Ads, which is now Microsoft Ads, but Bing Ads Mastery is a training course to show you how you can advertise at a lower cost and using Bing Ads. My bonus number 4 is access to Nova and all of the upsells. Now this is only in the first 12 hours from the launch of this particular software, PowerSuite, but this is a training and software product, and this was launched about 10 months ago by a mentor of mine, Jono Armstrong. Now this particular product is an extension software which will help you to build up your followers on TikTok. and basically it's a training software that helps you to do that and helps you to follow influencers on TikTok. So that's what Nova is. So that is my 4 bonuses with PowerSuite. If you decide to pick up PowerSuite through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video, any of these yellow buttons here will take you through to the page that I just showed you, which is the pre-sales page where you can sign up for the launch webinar. You would still get access to all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up this software through my link. Now, it is a product that is sold through JVZoo. So if you have made a decision to purchase, this is the receipt you would receive, and the button at the bottom of the receipt will take you through to my bonus link, which then you can pick up all of the bonuses I have just described. So that is my bonus page, and that is my review for PowerSuite. And basically, everyone is basically getting really excited about this particular launch. The Meetvio, Neil Napier, Meetvio, Funnelvio have done incredibly well with launches in the past. And so it is expected that this product, PowerSuite, the 9-in-1 business software, is going to be another particularly big launch. So that is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye for now.